All right, we put the BSA off to the side for a couple of days, and we've got the little Triumph up here, and it is just adorable. Now the engine's all taken apart. We didn't take it apart, so I'm getting ready to do an S100 wipe down on the engine just to clean it off. Kevin's over here doing something exotic to the kicker.
Taking this stuff off,
Yeah.
so it doesn't disappear.
All right, and gosh, it's a pretty little thing. This ought to be interesting.
Yeah, it's a 66, and if I'm reading it correctly, they only made this mountain cut in 2 years, 66 and 67.
Is that right?
If I'm reading it correctly, yeah.
Wow, it's a cute bike. All right, the engine looks a whole lot cleaner. We did an S100 wipe down with it. I love that stuff. Spray it on and just watch the oil and dirt just flow away. I took the studs out and wire wheeled them so they're clean. So we'll put those in. I'll show you the other side. Okay. Got to figure out what this access hole is for. Interesting. Okay, so Kevin's draining the engine oil and the drains underneath, and I'm over here on this bench. Ooh,
Fit.
oh,
It'll
cool.
fit.
You got a ring compressor.
Yeah,
Good.
it'll fit.
All right.
Wasn't sure with that little one.
I've got the head over here. I've got an S100 on it, and I'm starting on the carburetor. This is just cleaned externally. I'm going to take it apart. On the head, when I have it here, this fin is broken off. That's a shame. But what I do in a situation like that, because they're next to impossible to fix, is go ahead and cut them back so that, and then smooth them off, and nobody will notice. Believe me, nobody will notice that's gone once you smooth it off and make it look like it was made that way. Now that's this side, and on the other side, don't you know, right there above the exhaust port, that one is broken off. In there. And you know how that happens. Somebody was cranking down on an exhaust clamp or something and broke that off. I'll reach in there with a file and we'll file that one smooth and then smooth it around. Once you've got it smooth and rounded, once again, nobody will notice. So that's where we are. I'm going to take this carburetor apart now and start on the internals. All right, this is fun. We have the piston fitted to the connecting rod. We have the base gasket down there with a little copper coat spray on it. We have the studs in place and tightened. Over here we have the back of Kevin and the cylinder and the push rod tubes with the seals on them. And all of this, including the push rod tubes, we're going to try to put all that on at the same time. Otherwise, we have to take the tank off to drop those tubes down. So we're going to try it. If it doesn't work, well, say la vie. Okay? So that's where we are.
Okay.